Got a ZC file shared by another digital sculptor and need to load those custom colors into your ZBrush workspace? These hold curated color palettes for digital sculpting. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to import these ZBrush color palette files. I'm saving the most versatile part for last. We're going to rely on one simple but powerful ZC file inspection tool that is capable of reading and repairing hundreds of file types. A user encountering a ZC file is typically a digital sculptor or 3D artist looking to load a custom color palette into ZBrush. This file saves a specific set of colors, allowing artists to maintain color consistency across projects or share their preferred color schemes with others in the community. The ZC file is a small proprietary binary file. Its structure is optimized for speed, containing a simple array of color values, likely RGB or hex. This design allows ZBrush to quickly parse and load the color swatches into the user interface without any significant processing overhead, streamlining the artist's workflow. Guaranteed access to ZC files is typically achieved using ZBrush from Maxon, formerly Pixelogic. Full control over the file's proprietary features requires a dedicated application. Windows gives a basic description, but understanding the stored data requires compatible tools. Let's find the specific program that reads the file structure. Right-click the ZC file and select Open With. Test ZBrush if it appears. If not, choose another application. One of them is the right match. If you still cannot open your ZC file, that is okay. If your ZC file still refuses to load, we are dealing with one of 3 predictable errors. Let's check them off with this easy list right now. First, loading in ZBrush. Open ZBrush and navigate to the color palette in the top menu. Click Load and browse to your ZC file location. ZBrush imports the color collection into the active palette, displaying all saved swatches in the color picker. Selected colors apply directly to polypaint sculpting and material assignments in your active project. Next, saving custom palettes, build your own color collection in ZBrush by selecting colors and adding them to the palette grid. Use the color palette save function to export your collection as a ZC file. Name the file descriptively and store in a project folder for reuse across sessions or sharing with collaborators on the same project. Finally, sharing between artists. Distribute ZC files alongside ZBrush project files. ZPR for collaborative work, ensuring all artists use identical color references. Include the ZC file and project asset folders with documentation explaining the color scheme. Recipients load the ZC file in their ZBrush installation to access the exact same color palette for consistency. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A universal viewer is designed to act as a versatile tool for identifying many formats, providing a reliable way to attempt access when standard programs have failed. Takeaway: the inability of Windows and 7-zip to open the file suggests a unique format signature. FileMagick is the comprehensive solution built to handle these exceptions. Find it at FileMagick. If you have any further questions about this file type, drop them below. Don't forget to subscribe before you go.